How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. In today's video, guys, I will show you the secret how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll down, click on storage, and here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click now on force stop, and what you should do next, you have to go to your notifications, disallow it, and allow it again. After this, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.